Hi guys, in this video I will show how to activate icon HyperOS and MIUI Poco launcher, how to install easy. Default standard icon for smartphone Poco, HyperOS, MIUI, HyperOS 2 and 3. New version Poco launcher, run them application, Mi account, icons, two variant, Poco and all MIUI 10. No more variant. Old version, apply. For icon MIUI 10. How to activate MIUI new version HyperOS 1, 2 and 3. Search them Hellcats. Search Hellcats. Next download. Now apply. Customize. Select only icons. Change. Apply. OK. Go Mi account. Icons. New style. Hellcats. Testing. Them HyperOS system launcher gallery, security, settings, file manager, notes and etc. icon for system launcher HyperOS. If you old version icons, I go them, Mi account, icons and select Poco. Apply old version icon for smartphone Poco. Subscribe my YouTube channel technosmart. See you and new videos.